Now, I would request Sushita ma'am to please pin up the badge to our Honorable Principal ma'am. Honorable Principal ma'am, and my dear fellow colleagues, a very healthy and pleasant morning to you all. I welcome you all on this special occasion of National Sports Day. 29th of August is celebrated as the National Sports Day in our country to commemorate the contribution of Major Dhyan Chand, the hockey wizard of India, to support sports. Many states of India organize various sports events and seminars aiming at the importance of physical activities and sports in life. Over the years, the government has also used this day as a platform to launch various sports schemes, including the Khelo India movement, which was started in 2018 by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. On this day, an awards distribution ceremony is also held in the President's office to honor our sports heroes with Dhyan Chand, Khel Ratna Award, Arjuna Award, and Dronacharya Award. So this day is specially dedicated to the hockey wizard Major Dhyan Chand, who has laid, you can say, who has contributed a lot to the upliftment of hockey in the country, and who has made India proud each time he has played in India as well as abroad. So I just want to share something about Mr. Dhyan Chand, the hockey wizard. He was born on 29th of August 1905 in Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh, popularly known as the hockey wizard. He dominated the sport in the years before World War II. He helped India complete their first hat-trick of Olympic gold medals with wins in 1928, 1932 and 1936 successively in Summer Olympics. His career spanned from 1926 to 1940. He represented India in over 185 matches and scored over 400 goals. He retired as a major from Indian Army in 1956. Now I would request our worthy principal ma'am for the hosting of the flag. Please give her a big round of applause. Dear colleagues, we have organized some activities. After this, I would request Honorable Principal Ma'am for the speech, and then after the speech is over, lighting of the missile will be there, and then sports pledge will be administered by Mr. Vijay Guleria. Next item will be the torch, and it will be passed on to Mr. Manmohan Singh, who will run, and all the teachers will follow him. After that, we will play the national song Vande Mataram. It is to be sung by all the teachers unitedly, and then the sports activities will begin.
Good morning all. I hope everyone present here is in good health, and I also presume everyone else like me is excited about today's event. On this beautiful Sunday morning, we take a break from our daily virtual academic schedule and household chores to gather on the golden sand of DAV ground to celebrate our National Sports Day, and also to acknowledge and facilitate the sportsmanship of our superstar athletes in the Tokyo Olympics by paying them a tribute on this perfect day. Needless to say, the most difficult the victory, the greatest the happiness in winning, was proved by our star athletes recently in Tokyo Olympics by bringing bronze, silver and gold medals at home, encouraging us all to follow their footsteps and bring more laurels to the nation by becoming good sportsmen. We all love cheering for cricket match on the television. We like playing badminton in the lane near our house. We also play various kinds of sports-based video games. This defines our love for sports. And for this, We need to encourage our students to choose to the sport of their choice and excel in that sport. And we also make sure that the students attain these mentioned skills by participating in extracurricular activities throughout the year. And as elders, we should not dwell in the winning and the losing aspects of the sports. Instead, initiate students to participate more in gaining experience and attaining a better sense of sportsman spirit. Before I leave, I would like to congratulate the sports staff of my school for putting in an effort and making this National Sports Day celebration possible. Thank you and have a nice day.
Not healthy, if he is physically weak, definitely this will affect his progress in studies also. So our next performance is, our next item is lighting of the torch. To do the honor, now I would like to invite our worthy principal man for the torch lighting ceremony. National Sports Day, we have sports pledge which will be administered by Mr. Vijay Guleria. I would request Mr. Vijay Guleria to please come forward and administer the pledge. Pledge position. Today, on the National Sports Day, I swear before God, in words and in deeds, to give me strength to contribute in building of a healthy and physically fit nation. I pledge to maintain a mentally and physically fit body by taking part in any form of sports and physical activity. I pledge that I shall commit myself to ensure that the spirit of sportsmanship, competitiveness and fair play is fully adhered to in sports and in life. Thank you, sir. Now the next is the torch is to be passed on to Mr. Manmohan Singh by Honorable Principal Ma'am, and then he will run with the torch and the teachers will follow him. I will request the teachers to participate in this activity.
जान लगा, अपनी अलग पहचान बना। जीत न चाहे कर तू यहाँ, कर खुद को तैयार जरा। Get ready to fight. Get ready to fight. Get ready to fight. Get ready to fight. Get ready to fight.
चलो
चल मोड़ दे उसको पंजारे। सात आसमां चीरे, अब सात समंदर धीरे, चल सात सुरों में कर दे ये ऐलान। हिम्मत है तो रोको और जुर्रत है तो मानो, रे आज हथेली